हाँ सतीश जी आप शुरू हो जाइए.
Okay, thank you, Pradeep. Friends, don't take much to the heart what Pradeep has said, because he has not said as a co-Rotarian or a fellow Rotarian, but more as a friend, because when he was the president, we had worked very closely. So take whatever he has said about me with a pinch of salt. Otherwise, उसका तो सुन के मेरा भी हाइट कभी कभी लगता है अमिताभ उतना हो गया. So please take it with a pinch of salt. And Manoj, of course, thank you for that introduction. Not only thank you, but out of the so many introduction and to the so many people I addressed, I still admire that you have remembered so many things about what I have said. तो कभी कभी अभी अच्छा लगता है कि हम जिसको एड्रेस करते हैं थोड़ा सार्थक हो रहा है कि they are also assimilating it and trying to follow it. So thank you, Manoj, for listening to what I had said earlier, and I hope you'll also listen today, though even though some of it may be repetition. So friends, President Chandrasekhar, Secretary Rakesh, and I will not take the names of all of you because Zoom में थोड़े ही दिखते हैं, और I have got so many friends and familiar faces here. If I miss one also, तो मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लगेगा. So I will just say friends, and I am missing some of the familiar faces here who are on the DTA. Now, as Pradeep has fondly said that this is my passion. Membership, Rotary has always been my passion since I joined in 2000.
Yes, yes.
Muted.
You muted Satish.
Mute हो गया है.
I have not done anything. आपके यहाँ से हो गया लगता है. तो ठीक है, no problem. What I am trying to say is that membership, increasing membership in Rotary has always been my passion, because I found a Rotary moment where मुझे लगा कि Rotary is one of the best thing happened to me. It takes time, but once I understood, then I become passionate and tried to increase the membership. जब भी chance मिलता है membership के बारे में बोलने के लिए, to add the members or tell about Rotary, I am always there. Today also, as you know, district training assembly, but I excuse myself because Chandrasekhar rightly said that we have a chance here of making some of the potential member into Rotarian, and I thought, let me take that chance. If I am able to, at least whatever I say, influence some of the prospective members, my day is done. So thank you for that. And first of all, congratulations to the club, Silver Jubilee meeting, and President Chandrasekhar. I was always wondering कि हे कोविड में क्लब्स क्या कर सकते हैं, because they are helpless, they cannot move out of the house, their homes, and where the work from home culture is going on for Rotarians, community service is the work, how we are going to do it. But I was following your club because it is very close to me also, and as I again repeatedly told you, so I saw so many things happening in your well subtle way and using the resource and power of Rotary. So I would like to congratulate you, and in the month of May you are doing a membership, let us say, drive. Again, that needs to be congratulated. So congratulations to not only President Chandrasekhar, but all the members of this esteemed club, Sunrise. Now friends, I have come here, as I told you, I think more than 5-6 times in the last 1 year. So this is, I think, love and affection. You like to hear me, or let us say, as I always say in humor, कि कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि they want to test me again and again कि whether still I improved or not. थोड़ा मेरे से अभी तक improve हुआ कि नहीं, इसके you are calling me again and again, ऐसा कभी-कभी लगता है. But I take the first case where you like to hear me, and so with that thing in mind, I will proceed further. Now, is there any way I can get screen sharing, please?
डन हो गया सर.
डन हो गया है ना? मुझे भी यहाँ से करना पड़ेगा ना स्क्रीन शेयरिंग?
हाँ, आप शेयर करिए स्क्रीन. मैंने अलाउ कर दिया है.
अलाउ कर दिया, एक मिनट. Yes, friends, this is what I always like to talk about. Welcome to the wonderful world of Rotary. Now, friends, I will just, normally my talks are not theoretical, but I try to tell us with example. Here also, the actual topics is way to serve the community. But some of you are prospective Rotarians, so I will take just 2-3 minutes of what Rotary is, some history, some geography, and then come to the actual topic, because with that background in mind, you'll get a better picture of what Rotary does and how we can serve the community. Now here, basically, if those who are new to Rotary or perhaps who are newly joined Rotary, let me reiterate that what is Rotary? So Rotary is a service organization and we call ourselves for people of action, or as the last line says, problem solvers. By connecting people from all over the world or all over community, we go for a lasting change. Now, this is what the actual words by Rotary are given. So I am telling you verbatim that we are people of action. But what does problem solver means? This is the sentence which is not in Rotary, but which I have put, is that we don't complain like other normally citizens के government क्या कर रही है, ये क्या हो रहा है. What we try to do is whenever we see a problem, the Rotarians come together and instead of complaining, we try to see if there is a solution for there and whether the solution is possible with the help of Rotarians, then we try to be the facilitator. So we are problem solvers, and how I will come with examples in the future slides. But this is what is Rotary about. It was formed in 1905 in Chicago, USA by a person named Paul Harris. Now, those who have recently joined Rotary and those who are going to join Rotary, Paul Harris is what we call as the father of Rotary. He is the one person who came with the idea that all top professions or in different occasion must come together in the local community to form a club. And because initially they were meeting by rotation in someone's house, the Rotary name came about. I am not expanding much, but just giving you a brief background. And this model of coming together of various professions, vocations, businessmen, industrialists, and forming a local club succeeded so much that it started from Chicago, spreading to all over America, then to England, then to here, Asia, then to India, first in Calcutta, then in Bombay. And now it has spread to more than 240 countries, and we have got almost 1.2 million Rotarians, volunteers, top class, high class volunteers all over the world. So previously, when in our childhood we used to hear in school or learn in school that the British used to say that the sun never sets in British Empire. Now the British Empire is not there, but we Rotarians proudly say that the sun never sets in Rotary Empire because for the simple reason, there are more than 33,000 clubs in the whole world. And every club meets a week. जैसे आप लोग मिलते हो Sunday को at 9:30. Some may meet at Saturday in the morning, some Saturday in the evening, some on Friday. So at any given point of time, wherever the sun is, uske niche there must be some Rotary meeting going on. Hence, we proudly say that the reach of Rotary is such that the sun never sets in the Rotary Empire. And what we do is, there are basically two things which are known here. One is fellowship and second is service. Those is Rotary is famous for. Fellowship means the members coming together and having a good time. It can be picnics, it can be get together, family get together, enjoying over a cup of coffee, discussion and all those things. They come under fellowship. That is enjoyment. And second is community service. The third, friendship. And that is the most important. Because friendship hai, bonding hai, so fellowship and service follows. For example, Pradeep and I and Raghav, we three are very good friends and we daily sit together, let us say, and enjoy a cup of tea or a drink or something like that. So somewhere along we are not Rotarians, but when we sit together and form a bond, then someone says, "Arey, mere ek pehchan ka COVID patient hai, whether we need a plasma, can we help?" Or the school which I am there, it's from a small village, it needs a little help, can we help? Now what happens because of bonding with Pradeep? Pradeep ka school problem hai, so I said, okay, chalo, maybe mere friends ko bolta hu, let us try to chip in. So what I am trying to say, this community service and fellowship is only because there is a friendship and there is a bonding. The most important condition for any club or any organization to be effective is bonding and friendship. Why I am telling you this again and again about friendship is that fellowship and service are recognized by Rotary as two arms, but agar bonding hai, friendship hai, तो then सब कुछ हो जाता है. Anything is possible. So especially for the new members, when you come in, तो तन मन धन से इकट्ठा आ जाओ बोलते हैं वैसा. You come here to be bonded by friendship, by being a part of extended family, and then the natural byproduct is the fellowship and the community service. Now, this is just to tell you how important this Rotary is in the whole international scenario, that the United Nations, one of the NGOs which took a lead to form United Nations was Rotary, and hence, in the initial starting years, one of the panel members or one of the members of United Nations was from Rotary. Rotary had to send a dedicated member to the United Nations. And today, the United Nations in the month of June celebrates a Rotary Day. Imagine another top level organization celebrating a Rotary Day. Our four-way test is very famous. Women in Rotary were coming in 1989. We won a case where the USA decided that it cannot be only a man's prerogative to do community service or be a part of Rotary, and women were allowed. And when Dipen will be your president that year, for the first time in 130 years of Rotary, we will be having a woman Rotary International President. So women also in Rotary have traveled a long way. The TRF is the trust wing of Rotary, where we collect donations from all over the world, including our not only our Rotarians, but big NGOs like Melinda Gates Foundation, the Jeff Bezos Foundation of Amazon. So we collect big donations from them. Rajeshri Birla, Aditya Birla, we connect donations from there and do public service. And our biggest project up till now is polio eradication. We have undertaken in 1985 an oath that we will eradicate polio from the face of the earth, and along with WHO and the various governments, we have sponsored all the vaccination that is going in the whole world. We have spent almost more than $800 crore, 900 crore dollars, sorry, now $900 crore on behalf of Rotary to eradicate polio. And today, fortunately, almost except for Afghanistan and Pakistan, each and every country was able to wipe out his polio. This is the background in which we as a Rotarian are proud about. This is a normally 1 hour talk, but because I want to tell you the ways to serve community, I have just shortened it in it. And what is the members' responsibility for that? That we just require some of your time, some of your money, and some of your resources. That is the only thing which we require. The time, money, and resources required for every club is a little, I would say, different from each other second club. So if you want to join this club, have a talk with the president and understand what is the time, money, and resource requirement, and then you are always be welcome to join Rotary. Now this year we have a theme which says that Rotary opens opportunity. Now Rotary opens opportunity to service in our area, in surroundings, in states, in nation, in world. Every corner of the earth we can serve. And how? First of all, let me tell you why to serve. And this is very important because 50% of the members are so engrossed, not members, but the citizens are so engrossed in the living that उन लोग भूल ही जाते हैं कि आपने को सर्व क्यों करना है. So first try to remember the law of nature. Humans being the only entity or living organization with reason, with a mind of its own, the nature has given them that much, let us say, thinking that serve karoge to zinda rahoge. And how? Because you are a part of universal ecosystem which is dependent on each other. The trees are depending on the oxygen, the carbon dioxide, we are depending on the oxygen. Apan bolte snakes, rats, lizards, lions, wolves, every living being has a role to play in the part of universal ecosystem, is a part of the food chain, और उसमें से थोड़े गायब हो जाते हैं तो it creates a problem. We human also are a part of this thing. इसके लिए मैं बोलता हूँ कि once you understand that you are a part of universal ecosystem and you cannot alone be for yourself, then you start helping others. Religion. Now religion, तो every religion बोलता है कि charity, donation, helping other for good karma or whatever it is should be a part of your daily service. So religion भी बोलते हैं कि why to serve करके, but helping others to help is to help ourselves. And let me tell you an example. Okay, suppose why does the big NGOs, the big industrialists like Melinda Gates, Bill Gates, Bezos, or any other top man, Rajeshri Birla, Aditya Birla, who give, why do they open a trust and help the community? The answer is simple. If only capitalists exist, तो capitalist का वो cycle है कि सब लोग श्रीमंत बनते हैं, the rich get richer, the poor get poor, and then the revolution starts and communism enters. Once the communism enters कि सबको equal right मिलना चाहिए, they start attacking the richer. So the richer then have to serve the poorer to see that the equilibrium is maintained, and by helping others, we are helping ourselves to see that there is not much of an ecological disturbance. So this is a part of the system where we are helping each other. Now next, friends, is avenues to serve. From here my real work starts. Friends, Rotary has a beautiful organization setup and a beautiful philosophy. So let me tell you for the new members that Rotary for us passionate is like a religion, or not a religion, but a way of living. It clearly has definition of each and every way we can live in this present world. And also it has defined what you can do, how you can do. We call that as a manual of procedure or code of ethics, and everything is there of how you can serve. Rotary International takes care of that. But at the club level also, it has given a guideline that how you can serve. The various avenues you can serve is through your own occasion, through your own in area of medical, in area of non-medical, environmental, and international. Now, what I will try to relate to you, that you as a prospective Rotarian, how under this various avenue you can help. I will give the past examples so you'll understand that even if you are not from the medical avenue, how you can help in medical avenue, the ways to serve. First is your occasion. Friends, let me tell you, especially the new Rotarians, this Rotary, you are invited only if you have occasion. If you are earning, then only you are invited to Rotary. So the mere fact that you are a Rotarian, that means you have a capacity to earn on your own, and you are an achiever in whatever field or occasion you are serving. So you have to start and ask yourself whether I can use my vocation to serve. Now the easiest occasion to serve people is very apparent. All the doctors knows that if we have a medical camp, we can serve. Now, the other avenues also think the way of serving. For example, I as a chartered accountant think it this way, that if I hold a camp for PAN, getting registration under PAN free for all of the community in my area, or I file returns of senior citizen free of charge, that is using my occasion to serve the community. Or some architecture says, okay, if there is a Rotary center going to be built, I will give my services free of cost for building a Rotary center or someone whom we are serving. So always ask yourself, if there is a pathologist, he will say, okay, I will give at a discounted rate of the various blood tests which are going to happen. Every occasion has an opportunity to serve. The software engineer can say, I will design a program for your club in such a way, we'll at one shot know what is the attendance, what is the members' qualification, what are the projects we have done. In one shot, I will try to do a software. So this is what you have to ask yourself, that whatever I am doing, is there any way my occasion can benefit the community? Sometimes you are in industry or in a factory, you may not directly benefit the community, but how you can benefit indirectly? We can have a occasional training. Suppose you are having an electrical workshop. It may not directly benefit someone. You are having a welding workshop, but at least you can give free of charge occasional training of electrician, workshop, CA as a tally, as a chartered account office, tally or accounting, this thing. You can give this sort of a occasional training to the below the poverty line students and try to make a life of them. There are some factories which are of very interesting. You can always have occasional tours. For example, in Ambernath, we have got matches making factory, Wimpo, or also we have got chocolate making factory. Previously, we used to go to Ville Parle for that parlays, and Cadbury is in Thane. This type of training for school children is very important because they get interested after seeing all these factories. Yes, I would like to go in for this sort of a thing. आगे बन के मेरे को कैडबरी में ही काम करना है, ऐसे किधर से तो मन में आ जाता है, and their interest develop. So if you are having a factory which is of use to college or the school children, then you can have once a year a occasional tour for them. The 4-way test of ethics, again, Rotary prides itself for having the best of ethics. इसके बारे में तो हम लोग बहुत in 1 hour I can only tell you how we pride yourself on the 4-way test of ethics. But the best way I can tell you is that starting में जो 4-way test पढ़ा गया था, for the new Rotarians try to understand what is that 4-way test, what is the bigger meaning of that 4-way test, what it implies, and what is the background story. Without the background story, you will not understand. Is it a truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it be goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? ये 4 सेंटेंस है. अपने हिंदू शास्त्र में भी थे कि is it the truth? सत्यम, शिवम, सुंदरम, वो भी थे. बट उसके पीछे का मतलब क्या है? तो आई रिक्वेस्ट प्रेसिडेंट चंद्रशेखर ऑल्सो के जो न्यू रोटरियंस है, हर्बर्ट टेलर की स्टोरी जिन्होंने ये 4-way टेस्ट किया है, वो प्रिंट आउट निकाल के पीडीएफ में ये सबको भेज देना, सो दे विल अंडरस्टैंड कि रोटरी में जो 4-way टेस्ट जो माना जाता है वो कितनी लाइफ में इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड हाउ इट विल सर्व द पीपल. एंड यू ऑल्सो द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ द न्यू रोटरियंस, इफ यू लिव बाय एथिक्स, दैट मैं मेरा बिजनेस जितना हो सकता है आज के जमाने में एथिक्स से करूंगा, you are doing and serving the society by doing all this ethical business. Why I'm telling you? Because we all are going towards Kaliyug. हम कलयुग की तरफ जा रहे हैं because of depreciation of values, ethics, practices. But अपने वैसे रोटरियन अगर थोड़ा एथिकल करते हैं, 10 में से 2 भी करते हैं, तो थोड़ा ब्रेक लग जाता है for us going towards the Kaliyug or going towards the total depreciation and deploration of the ethics. Hence, each and every Rotarian should be an example and ideal for all the others in the community. Okay, this is how business can be done, and it is still possible. There are many industries, including Tata's, you know, इतने उनके आते हैं stories about their business ethics. आप उसको देखोगे तो आपको समझेगा कि आदमी बड़ा भी बन सकता है ethics के साथ. You need not do non-ethical work to get rich or get wealthy. You can get wealthy by pure hard work, integrity, and your self-belief. Also, one way what you can help is job opportunities or placements in your industry. If you're in an industry which is not directly benefiting the community, but you can always be lookout for any, especially I'm talking about sub-staff level job, peon, lower staff, because they are today in need of job, and today to more essential because of COVID की जिनका job गया है, अगर कहाँ पे भी job है, your club or the members can come together to start a placement service for graduates or undergraduates, which is, believe me, the need of the hour. Last week हमारे नगर सेवकों के साथ मैं बैठा था, and I thought कि मैं undergraduates के लिए हमारे थाना ईस्ट में कुछ तो करना चाहता हूँ, प्लेसमेंट कैंप्स. एंड आई टोल्ड देम कि 200-300 बच्चे रहेंगे, उनके लिए मैं कैंप करता हूँ. तो द नगर सेवक लाफ्ड एंड सेड, साहब अपने थाना ईस्ट एरिया छोटी है, बट उसमें भी मोर देन 5,000 आर अनएम्प्लॉयड आउट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ 25,000. कैन यू इमेजिन? 5,000 are employed without any job. So you can go for this in your factory, in your industry. You open a sale of Thana, this Rotary नई मुंबई सनराइज, एंड जो भी वैकेंसी है उसके अंदर डालो, पब्लिक को रजिस्ट्रेशन करने को बोलो, जिसको भी नौकरी चाहिए. हैव जस्ट वन रोट्रैक्टर टू ऑल दिस मैचिंग कि आई वांट 12th pass for a peon. I won. TY BCom who has done tally. उसका मैथ द फॉलोइंग करने के लिए प्लेसमेंट करके रखो. You will do one of the biggest service without putting much of your money and time into this. And of course, those who are a successful interpreter can have these entrepreneur soft skills seminars or give lectures on how did I succeed to the future entrepreneurs. This is the way I think occasion can play a very good role. Not only that, microcredit मैंने यहाँ पे लिया नहीं as a occasion because once I start about microcredit, it is my passion again as membership. I can go on and on and on. But this is something where I am trying to tell you, every person can contribute. अपना occasion use करके you can serve the community. The next you can do is by medical avenue. We have various camps, medical and various diagnostic camps. We can have prevention like cancer prevention and awareness seminars, or let us say camps, medical camps of diabetes, cancer detection. Nowadays, COVID का भी अगर आप camp नई मुंबई municipal corporation करते हो तो nothing like it. Then there are women problems tribals में. अगर आप सिर्फ 45 minutes के पास आप अभी आपका छोड़ के जाते हो तो आपको लगेगा here I am staying in a complex, in a society, in a tower or whatever it is with the best of the facilities, and just 1 hour drive from your place there is absolutely only hutments, padas, no water. They have to walk almost half an hour for water. The women are not having any, let us say, clothes to wear properly, and at the same time उनका medical problems, especially gyno problems both होता है, which no one is there to address, and there are a lot of myths. अगर आप लोग सिर्फ इनके लिए जाके camps और seminars arrange कर सकते हो, in their own language बता सकते हो कि how to take care of yourself, it will be a big service. And at the same time, if you go and see the children, malnutrition, आपको believe नहीं होगा, कल्याण रिवर साइड क्लब है, सिर्फ डेली 50 रुपए का उन लोग खाना बनाते हैं और पैक्ड विद न्यूट्रिएंट्स, एंड ये बच्चे लोग को देते हैं उधर का. उनका माल न्यूट्रिशन जो है वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दिया एक जगह का कल्याण रिवर साइड क्लब ने. इट डज नॉट कॉस्ट मच. सिंगदाना का लाडू बरोबर है, सिंपल, वो आप दे दो एंड यू विल सी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस यू आर गोइंग टू मेक. चाइल्ड मदर केयर मोर्टेलिटी रेट, ये सब जो चीज है आप लोग कर सकते हो. डॉक्टर्स तो होल हार्टेडली कर सकते हो, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट यू अगेन. You have to be a part of volunteer. You can go there to support the doctors. You can go there to support the ancillary things like distribution of medicine, or you can then use your contacts for सस्ते में medicine किधर मिल सकता है क्या, सस्ते में therapy किधर हो सकता है क्या. You can do all sort of things for the things mentioned here. But the biggest thing which is going on is COVID-19. I tell you, hats off to all of the Navi Mumbai who have come together to do something huge and great as far as Rotary is concerned. I think Chandrasekhar, some of your clubs have come together to form a Rotary Reliance COVID Center, in which anybody who has got COVID but is not serious can be admitted to some of these specific hotels which are now operating as a COVID center, and the Rotaractors also are helping in that. Now the biggest advantage here is 90% of them are not in the medical field, but they are trying to see कि किसको प्लाज्मा चाहिए, प्लाज्मा मिल रहा है क्या, किसको ब्लड चाहिए, ब्लड मिल रहा है क्या, हॉस्पिटल का बेड चाहिए, बेड मिल रहा है क्या, ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, ऑक्सीजन मिल रहा है क्या, इंजेक्शन चाहिए, इंजेक्शन मिल रहा है क्या. This all collect you under one task force. आप एक सोचो, you are not a medical person. I am not a medical person, but I help so much. और कोविड में तो इसकी जरूरत है. But the biggest thing you can do is you can apply to municipal corporation, get a vaccine ambulance, because बहुत से सीनियर सिटीजन को 3-3, 4-4, 5-5 घंटा खड़ा रह के प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, और वहां पे भी डर रहता है वैक्सीन के, सॉरी, वायरस पसरने का. The best way for elderly 60, 65, 70 and above is take this vaccine ambulance, और आप सब बजे उसको घुमाओ. उसका जो खर्चा हो जाता है, either you can take it from the beneficiaries, the societies whom you are going, or you can subsidize by Rotary donations. But please, COVID के बारे में, this is the only today way you can make your presence is to help the government to see that all are vaccinated in the shortest time without much of a problem for them. हमारा थाना ईस्ट में हम लोग वही कर रहे हैं. मैं एवरी जगह पे I book a slot of Rotary in some hospital, and then with our vehicles we take those elders, senior citizens to them, and within 15 minutes their vaccinations are over. This is what you can do without being a medical thing. Friends, non-medical thing may education, adopt a child. There are so many clubs, including Sunrise is very famous for that of adopting a child. They do a special fundraising for them. I'm telling this to the prospective Rotarians and those who have come here, that Sunrise does an excellent job as far as education in slum areas is concerned or below the poverty line is concerned. And for that, if you can even adopt a child, तो आप उसकी तकदीर बनाते हो. There are two persons whom a human being does not forget. The doctor who gives him life and the person who gives him a living. If education से उसको living मिल जाता है, so they are never going to forget you because you are their second father. So try to now involve yourself कि मैं education में, if I am a teacher, can I teach them free of charge on Saturday, Sunday? If I can help in some other way by getting equipment, computer, can I help in that way? Adopt a school, but Sunrise के लिए मैं adopt a school नहीं बोलूँगा because they are already doing great work. अलग-अलग community के छोटे schools में you can contact them and do the work. Also give them midday meal because like malnutrition यहाँ पे भी midday meal scheme चालू है, but let me tell you very frankly, sorry to say, but any government scheme desired quality or result नहीं मिलता है. Here, if you think that you can provide good midday meal, so it will make a lot of difference to this. And tribals में midday meal का आपको मैं बता देता हूँ कि बच्चे लोग सिर्फ सीखते हैं, सीखने के लिए नहीं, बट माँ पीते बैठते जाओ, खाना तो मिलेगा. हम उन लोगों को आपके पास देने के लिए खाना नहीं है. आप उधर जाओ, खाना मिलेगा, भले सीखना पड़ेगा ना आपको, तो सीखो. तो द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज खाना, और खाने की वजह से सीखते हैं. Fighting poverty by giving them occasion, microcredit, teaching them some of the things, and rural upliftment. This you can again do through Rotary collectively. आप अकेला करने जाओगे तो एक दो आदमी को मदद हो सकती है. रोटरी के साथ जाओगे क्लब के साथ तो 100 आदमी की मदद हो सकती है. पूरा नई मुंबई क्लब जाओगे तो 1000 आदमी लोग की मदद हो सकती है, और डिस्ट्रिक्ट जाओगे तो शायद 5000 की मदद हो सकती है. So the power of Rotary and collective organization is that you can increase your leverage to help the people. Your surrounding, these are the some of the things you can start your own. Dry garbage, wet garbage, which the municipality is harping upon, hence I will not tell much. Tree plantation, greenery, that is okay. आपका नई मुंबई में पोल्यूशन का एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरियस केमिकल इंडस्ट्री, वाटर पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन, द वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन. आप इसके बारे में एक अवेयरनेस कर सकते हो, गवर्नमेंट को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, और आपके एरिया में भी सिखा सकते हो हाउ टू मेंटेन द पोल्यूशन बाय प्लांटिंग मोर ग्रीन ट्रीज एंड ऑक्सीजन प्लांट्स एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. यू कैन इन अ स्मॉल वे स्टार्ट योर ओन कम्युनिटी सर्विस. पूरा नई मुंबई मत कवर करो, पूरा खारघर वासी में मत कवर करो. If you can cover your society,
आपका पॉज हो गया है. कैन यू जस्ट चेक?
सतीश जी का डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ होगा. विल वेट फॉर अ मिनट.
Yeah, seems like he disconnected.
हाँ, विल वेट फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स. जस्ट होल्ड. चंद्रशेखर जी एक बार कांटेक्ट करिए ना उनको.
Yeah, he is joining.
Pradeep ji, you want to fill in the meantime?
आ गया आ गया
Okay, yeah.
आ गए हैं हाँ।
सतीश जी आप म्यूट हो, माने जी आप म्यूट हो.
Okay,
Adi.
okay. I was wondering what was happening. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
One minute.
yeah, okay.
One of the best projects which I have done during when I was the president was this compound wall painting. Imagine आपके यहाँ पे जो common walls है, अगर आज उसको आप ये करते हो, जो रास्ते के बाजू में सोसाइटीज है, उसका आप
सतीश
एक
जी,
बच्चों को लेके,
सतीश जी,
यस बोल,
सतीश जी, आपका प्रेजेंटेशन भी नहीं आ रहा है अभी, आपको वो भी वापस करना पड़ेगा सर.
ओके ओके, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग करना पड़ेगा वापस.
हाँ जी.
ओके, आ रहा है अभी?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, okay. One of the best project which I did was and satisfying was compound wall paintings. इसके लिए तो आपको कोई क्वालिफिकेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. That you need to be a doctor, you need to be an environment specialist. What we had done is that we had gathered all the cooperative housing society chairmen and told them we want all the families, including the children, to be involved. And some of the best roads जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक जास्ती नहीं है, लेकिन दे आर वेरी गुड लुकिंग रोड्स इन द सेंस के शांत है, ट्रीज है, वो वॉल्स को हमने पेंटिंग कंपटीशन लगा दी फैमिलीज की. एंड आई टेल यू, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर इट वाज अ सीन टू बी वॉच के रात को 11 बजे भी खाना खा के पूरे फैमिली उतरते थे, हे मेरा वॉल है करके. एक जगह पे बच्चे पेंट कर रहे हैं, एक जगह पे मदर ट्राई कर रही है हेल्प करने के लिए, एक जगह पे फादर ट्राई कर रहे हैं हेल्प करने के लिए. एट द एंड ऑफ इट, not only it was a feel good factor in the whole community, but वो पेंट होने के बाद जो रोड दिख रहा था, that वो ट्रैफिक स्लो हो रहा था because everyone was going slow and watching the painting. स्टार्टिंग में 15-20 दिन के लिए दिक्कत हुई हमारी कि ट्रैफिक स्लो हो गया था, बट आई टेल यू फॉर लॉन्ग 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 टाइम पब्लिक रोटरी को धन्यवाद करती थी कि वॉकिंग फ्रॉम हियर इज रियली नाउ अ प्लीजेंट टास्क बिकॉज वो कंपाउंड वॉल पेंटिंग्स हो गई थी. Simple project with good social message and involvement of community will go a long way in inspiring, motivating and making this feel good factor in the present time. कोविड होने के बाद थोड़ी मायूसी तो रहेगी because everyone must have lost something. Some of them lost of life, lost of living, lost of many things, loss of many things. So I think if compound wall paintings अगर आप बहुत जगह पे आपके एरिया में लेते हो, wherever it is possible, it can make a significant difference to whatever is happening here. Hello, 1 minute. And this is the last avenue which you always talk about, internationality of Rotary. Friends, again the existing Rotarians also I always tell कि कभी भी Rotary को ये मत समझो you have joined Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai Sunrise and मेरी सिर्फ दोस्ती चंद्रशेखर, राघव, प्रदीप, Rajaram या दीपेन से ही है. You have to understand one thing, that by joining this you have got a visa or a ticket to be a part of the internationality of Rotary. So don't limit yourself, your thoughts, your projects to only the club. Always think the greater क्या हो जाता है. Otherwise we are a local जिजामाता युवक मंडल, शिरडी साई बाबा रिलीजियस मंडल, ऐसे मंडल जो लोकल है उसमें क्या फर्क है अगर अपन सिर्फ लोकल काम करते बैठे थे. So now you as an individual, if you want to truly participate in the internationality of Rotary, so what we do is peace and conflict resolution. And this, friends, is very, very important in today's time. I will tell you with my example, because most of my examples are my own, so I can tell you with confidence. When I say peace and conflict resolution, you know, everywhere you open the newspaper, सेंट्रल और स्टेट में लड़ाई है, अपनी कंट्री और दूसरी कंट्री में लड़ाई है, अमेरिका या और इंग्लैंड के दूसरे के साथ लड़ाई. एवरीवेयर देयर इज अ पीस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. और पीस जो है वो 2-3 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ही कर रही है, but Rotary has decided that we will do peace and conflict resolutions in a bigger way. ठीक है, रोटरी इंटरनेशनल टॉप लेवल पे करेगी, बट अपन क्या कर सकते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई पर्सनली फील कि डू नॉट फॉरवर्ड एनी पोस्ट इन व्हाट्सएप अबाउट एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, फिर वो पप्पू हो या भक्त हो या कोई भी हो, आप एज अ रोटरियन उससे लंबा रहो. डू नॉट फॉरवर्ड एनी पोस्ट अबाउट एनी अदर कास्ट, कम्युनिटी और रिलीजन. अपन रोटरियन है. Our religion is now internationality of Rotary. Our religion is humanity. तो कोई भी रिलीजन, अपनी रिलीजन अच्छी है पकड़ के चलो, बट इसका मतलब दूसरे की खराब नहीं है. स्टार्ट विथ योर माइंडसेट. प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरवर्ड हेट मैसेजेस. वो सुनने में हंसने में बहुत मजा आता है, बट इट देन डज नॉट पोर्ट्रे यू और शो इन अ गुड लाइट एज कोई रिलीजन के आगे. इट कैन बी एनीवन, एनी रिलीजन. आप उसको स्टॉप करो ग्रुप में. वी आर इंडियंस, वी आर रोटरियंस. लेट अस नॉट गो इनटू पॉलिटिक्स, लेट अस नॉट गो इनटू रिलीजन, एंड लेट अस नॉट गो टू अगेंस्ट एनी कंट्री. And Rotary has made me that change. I, as a, let us say, Satish Mane, Marathi, Hindu, Indian, but whenever I see an anti-Christian post, anti-Muslim post, or anti-Pakistan post, somehow it pinches me, because I have got in good contact with Pakistan Rotarian who are as good as us. So, आपके इधर से सबसे पहला चालू करो. If you want to serve the community, have a mindset to teach your family, your children, or whomsoever are close to you, that stop these hate messages in WhatsApp. They contribute a lot in our mindset. And have this, आगे चल के पीस स्कॉलरशिप का मैं बात करूंगा. Have occasional training tools. One way you can help your occasion. You can go to some other country for 15 days to 1 month and teach you your occasion. For example, I was supposed to go, COVID नहीं रहता था, तो in Holland to teach microcredit to those कि how we do microcredit here. At the same time, learn from there what is their way of microcredit and teach it here. Dr. Mohan Chandavarkar, जो last year governor थे, district governor, he had gone to Africa to teach about the मदर ऑपरेशन आफ्टर चाइल्ड पोस्ट केयर ऑपरेशन, मोर्टेलिटी के बारे में सिखाने के लिए उनको न्यूट्रिशन क्या देना चाहिए ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. डेंटिस्ट की बहुत बड़ी टूर गई थी इंग्लैंड को, लंदन को. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टीच, इफ यू हैव अ गुड ओकेशन एंड यू फील कि यूरोप में या अमेरिका में या जापान में, चाइना में, देयर इज सम ओकेशन व्हिच इज मच मोर एडवांस देन व्हाट यू आर हियर, and you can go there, learn and use it for the community benefit. Rotary sends such tools on the cost of Rotary. आपको सिर्फ इधर का जाने का खर्चा प्लेन का रहता है, बाकी रहना खाना सब जो भी है उधर के लोकल रोटरियंस देख लेते हैं. Be a part of that vocational training tool. Be a part of the friendship and student exchange. आप जाओ दूसरे कंट्री में, उनका कल्चर सीखो. आज अगर आपको बचपन से सिखाया गया है कि अपनी नेबरिंग कंट्री अच्छी नहीं है, ट्राई टू लिव विद देम, कॉल देम हियर एंड लिव विद देम, एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि आम आदमी लोग, कॉमन आदमी लोग सब अच्छे रहते हैं. फ्यू लीडर्स टू बी एट वॉर, अदरवाइज बाकी सब तो तुम्हारे हमारे आदमी वैसे ही है. बॉर्डर पिक्चर में भी आपने देखा है कि सब अपन जो है वो नॉर्मल आदमी लोग है, who want peace only. But how will you learn? By friendship exchange program where the families go and stay in their houses, Rotarians, और बाद में वो Rotarians को अपने यहाँ पे बुलाते हैं to stay for 15 to 20 days. Try to be a part of that when you go come in Rotary, or send your student exchange. आपके बच्चे लोग 1 year सीखने को जाते हैं. It can be Brazil, it can be USA, South America, Mexico, Spain, anywhere. You send them, and then वहां से भी बच्चे लोग अपना इंडियन कल्चर सीखने के लिए आते हैं. इंडियन कॉलेज में 1 year सीखते हैं. इट ओपन्स योर माइंड कि अपना अभी तक फ्रॉग इन द वेल है, बट व्हेन यू लर्न अबाउट द फ्रेंडशिप एक्सचेंज एंड स्टूडेंट्स एंड देन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट देयर थिंकिंग इज, you also understand what they think about us Indians, where we are correct, we should be proud about, and where we are wrong, or what are the myths or wrong conceptions, misconceptions about the Indians. Be a part of that program. Send your son, daughter this student action program. This is one thing which I always tell, peace scholarship. Friends, बाकी आप कुछ नहीं तो रोटरी को कैसा सर्व कर सकते हो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. आपका नई मुंबई का कमिश्नर है, पुलिस कमिश्नर है, बड़ा इंस्पेक्टर है, डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर है. Rotary has got a 3-month and a 1-year peace scholarship program which is recognized at the top level. All the United Nations and the big countries recognize this Rotary International which happens in Europe and in America. These programs are fantastic. They teach you about if there is 2 warring factions, then how to have peace and conflict resolution. उसका 3 से 1 साल का 2 कोर्स है. अपने यहाँ से अपन डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ द पुलिस अरविंद देशमुख करके उसको भेजा था. And he personally admits in all the TV interviews this scholarship program has benefited a lot. मैं आपको बोलता हूँ आपके एरिया में एक बड़ा एनजीओ लीडर है who does a lot of good work or she does a lot of good work or there is a good inspector or a good government officer. आप उसको रोटरी के तरफ से स्कॉलरशिप को भेजो, again free of cost to them. Even the tickets are borne by Rotary. वो जब भी जाके आता है उधर के रोटरियंस या लेटर से अदर एम्बेसडर्स को मिलता है फ्रॉम वेरियस कंट्रीज, उसका भी व्यू एनलार्ज हो जाता है, एक थिंकिंग प्रोफाउंडनेस आ जाता है. आप उतना करते हो, वो जब यहाँ आता है देन इट थिंक्स अबाउट द कम्युनिटी, इट थिंक्स अबाउट हाउ ही कैन इम्प्रूव द लोकल कम्युनिटी विथ पीस एंड हार्मोनी. एक छोटा चीज आप एक आदमी को बेचते हो, आपके पहचान वाला है, तो इट डज अ गुड थिंग. And there are action groups. Finally, there are action groups on Rotary website. If you go, there are specific. For example, I'm in microcredit. There is a Rotary action group for microcredit where all over the world, jitne Rotarians say who are specializing in microcredit join there. We can exchange a lot of ideas. We can do projects, collective projects in some countries. For example, in 2000, when Pradeep Sinare was the president, I was given a special grant of 50 lakhs rupees by Rotary International for microcredit, sponsored by this action group. This is very, very important. There is an action group for malaria. There is action group now recent for COVID. There is action group for any water conservation, any social project. There is an action group, and you get the topmost, let us say professionals and experts from that area, और आपका भी knowledge उसमें enrich हो जाता है. तो आप लोग क्या करो, try to go and see on the Rotary website which are the various action groups. This is only for Rotarians after you join Rotary. But once you see the list and you have a liking कि ये social project मेरे को girl education में अच्छा लगता है, I want to do girl education, I want to do mother and child mortality का problem जो आता है उसमें कुछ काम करना है. आपको कोई भी सोशल इनिशिएटिव में काम करना है, if there is an action group, join it and see all over the world से अपने को कितनी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है, आपका नॉलेज कितना एनहांस हो जाता है, and then how better you can serve the community with this knowledge and these new resources. This I think is very, very important, and if you don't take advantage of this internationality of Rotary, then मेरा हमेशा कहना है, then you might as well as join a local organization जिसका रीच सिर्फ नई मुंबई या खारघर या बेलापुर या सानपाड़ा है. You need not be a part of Rotary, but if you want to be a part of Rotary, then you have to be at least do something in the international of Rotary where you will feel yes, मैं Rotary international का member हूँ. After the word Rotary, international आता है. So I am the member of an organization which is truly international, and that is what I try to implore you. Now, friends, in the end, I will just like to tell you one thing, why we serve. Other than as I told you, the actual satisfaction of serving. First is, I always tell you this Mahabharata example, is that in Mahabharata there is an incident where Yudhishthir sends his brother, he was thirsty and sends his brother, कि हमें प्यास लगी है, तो नकुल जरा पानी लेके आ जाना. तो नकुल goes to a pond and does not come back, to a lake and does not come back. सहदेव जाता है, वो वापस आता नहीं. फिर युधिष्ठिर भीम को भेजता है, वो अर्जुन को भेजता है, वो आता नहीं. भीम को भेजता है, वो आता नहीं. और फिर युधिष्ठिर बोलता है इतने महारथी गए वापस आए नहीं तो क्या हो गया, इसके लिए खुद जाता है. And when he goes there, he sees all of them are lying dead near the lake. And then he sees and says कि ये महारथी को मारने वाला कोई तो बहुत ही बड़ा महारथी हो सकता है, because these are unconquered warriors. इनको कौन हरा सकता है पांचों जन, चारों जन को? तो कोई तो ग्रेट ही होगा, बट मुझे प्यास लगी है, पहला प्यास पानी पीता हूँ और बाद में देखता हूँ कि कौन है करके. When he tries to drink the water, एक यक्ष बाहर आता है और बोलता है कि stop it. Before you want to drink the water, answer my question. If you answer my question correctly, then only you can drink the water. But if you directly try to drink the water, you will be dead as your brothers are. अब ये समझ आता है कि ये इतना बड़ा हस्ती जो है वो कोई साधारण आदमी नहीं हो सकता है मेरे भाई को मारने वैसा. So he then accepts and says कि okay, मैं धर्मराज हूँ, I am supposed to know all the answer, ask me. And he says, yeah, okay, tell me one thing. कि what is the biggest wonder of the world? सबसे बड़ा चमत्कार ये दुनिया में क्या है? And Yudhishthir answers, the biggest wonder of the world is that we all know that we are mortal and we are going to die one day, but still we live as if we are immortal. वेल जमाओ, पिछला 100 साल, अगला 100 साल के लिए वेल जमाओ, प्रॉपर्टी, स्टेट, यू गो ऑन accumulating things as if you are going to live forever. ये भूल हमेशा हर इंसान से होती है. So that is the answer which he gave rightly. But now for Rotary, the second question was important. And he says that, is there any way then a man can be immortal? Yudhishthira says there are two ways. Symbolically, a man can be immortal or can live on forever. One is by passing his genes to the next generation. So that way, वो एक अंश रह जाता है next generation में, उसके next generation में. The mere fact that Pradeep is here is a proof that 1000 years before there was some ancestor of Pradeep who were there. So the passing of genes is the one way you ensure that you are living. And the second way is by doing good deeds. By doing good deeds. Like for example, you do a good deed, like Mother Teresa, like Gandhi, so you live on forever as long as human mankind is there. Florence Nightingale, Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King. These are the examples जो आज नहीं है, फिर भी they go on living in our hearts and minds. So that is the way you can become immortal. Friends, when we serve, we may not be Florence Nightingale, Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King. लेकिन मुझे हमेशा एक लगता है कि पूरा वर्ल्ड को तो अपना बदलने की तुम्हारी मेरी किसी की कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है. Neither the whole India, nor the whole Maharashtra, nor the whole नई मुंबई. But आप एक छोटा एरिया भी अगर बदल सकते हो and make it a better place to live, I think you are done your deed by saying yes. किधर ना किधर तो मैं रहूंगा नहीं रहूंगा, लेकिन मेरा अच्छा नाम तो रहेगा. If you plant a tree which survives, let us say for 50 to 100 years, तो कभी ना कभी तो 100 years के बाद कोई तो बोलेगा कि अरे ये तो दीपक ने झाड़ लगाया था. Your name still lives out. Rotary gives you that opportunity to outlive your tenure on this earth. And I think we should be able to use that opportunity, because our incoming RA president says that service or community service is the rent I pay to live in this world. So it is a sort of a rent we are paying for living in this world. And I always say, if you see the Facebook of all the Rotarians who a social work and put it there, कितने गुड विशेष आते हैं, अपने को भी फील गुड फैक्टर बन लगता है कि यस हमने कुछ तो काम किया है. तो यूज योर फेसबुक टू प्रोपोगेट द गुड वर्क ऑफ रोटरी, नॉट टू मेक अ नेम फॉर योरसेल्फ और द रोटरी, but just to tell this is the good work that we have given midday meal to 100 students. और आपको देखोगे कि आपके फ्रेंड्स लोग आपको मदद करते to get midday meal for 500 students. So please use your Facebook and then see how your friends and well-wishers, true well-wishers increase. And last, when we look back, it is always said, there is a book called, which again is a separate lecture, which I always give, is that 5 things you must discover, 5 secrets you must discover before you die. It's a huge book, philosophical book. But in that it says at the last moment, when we are living the last minute, last second. It is said that the whole life, the highlights of the life flashes through our eyes. If you are a Rotarian and doing good work, I believe that जो भी highlight दिखेगी, maximum highlight will be the happier moments where you are doing a service, and that itself will be a sort of a peace, bliss, and harmony in your heart. कि जो भी मैंने वक्त गुजारा है, it was meaningful and eventful, and that is the only thing which makes all the Rotarians work. कि जिस दिन से मैं यहाँ इस दुनिया से चला जाऊंगा, at least ये रहूंगा कि I was able to be of use to not only myself but to others. And hence, the last example before I give it this way, okay, friends, there are 4 types of men here in this world. One is man who lives like a plant. उधर ही अपना घर, अपना सोसाइटी, अपना जॉब, जानेगा, आनेगा. He doesn't know the whole world. He is a plant. खुद के सिवा किसी को मालूम नहीं, हिल भी नहीं सकता है. The second is a man animal. वो थोड़ा एनिमल कैसा घूमता है, थोड़ा प्लांट स्टेशन, एनिमल घूमता है थोड़ा, वैसा है, थोड़ा इधर उधर जाता है, देखता है क्या हो रहा है, अपनी सोसाइटी में क्या हो रहा है, अपने एरिया में कोविड है क्या, कितने जन है, कितने जन नहीं है. द प्लांट एनिमल नोज मेरे घर में कोविड है कि नहीं. द एनिमल मैन नोज दैट अपने एरिया में कितने कोविड है, थाना सिटी में कितने हैं. बट देयर इज आल्सो मैन मींस ही हैज गॉट अ रीजन, ही थिंक्स कि अपने पूरा थाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कितने हैं, इसमें हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं. Is there anything we can do to stop it? Is there anything we can do to help it? That is man, which most of the Rotarians are there. And the last category which you always call is man God. जो बड़े बड़े महात्मा है, जो अपन नहीं कर सकते. Friends, आज अगर अपने को लगता है कि अपन मैन प्लांट है या मैन एनिमल है, especially the new Rotarians or the prospective Rotarians, I tell them, come join Rotary and be at least man. That is, think of the society as a whole, not your family only or nor your society only. And that, being a part of universal ecology, will go in helping all of us, helping others, will ultimately going to help you also. That's all from my side, friends. Thank you for giving me a patient hearing. And this is ऐश्वर्या राय का फोटो इसके लिए है कि शायद मेरा चेहरा आपको याद नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन इसका तो रहेगा. इसके लिए दिस इज जस्ट टू टेल यू थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.
क्या बात है. वंडरफुल.
अनेक धन्यवाद सतीश.
यस.
आपको कितने बार सुनते हैं उतने बार मेस्पराइज हो जाते हैं.
थैंक यू. अब ये मेरा स्क्रीन शेयरिंग बंद हो गया है.
हाँ, बंद हो गया.
हाँ, बंद हो गया. Friends, this was Satish Mane to you. As I said, I'll just simply add some anecdote to it that he is a person, by profession, he is a chartered accountant and specializing in microcredits. But by passion, he is a true Rotarian. रोटरी के अंदर भी फेलोशिप जो है वो उनके वहाँ कूट के बढ़े हुए हैं. खासियत ये है कि आप अगर उनके तरफ एक हाथ बढ़ाते हैं तो वो अपने दोनों हाथ से आपका हाथ जकड़ लेते हैं. And he builds the bridge between him and yourself just to make it a long lasting bondage of love and affection. और उसमें फायदा दोनों को होता है. मतलब he is a very selfish man कि वो खुद का फायदा सोचता है, but वो फायदा तभी होगा जब he is surrounded by equally good persons around him. And the whole world is like that. And so far he has been very successful. I am full of admiration to him. He is a true Rotarian. और क्या बोलूं, बोलते रहूंगा, कोई बात नहीं. But then